In this video, I'm going to show how to adjust the boom arm in and out so you get the camera closer or farther away from the face, and then also show how the boom arm is on a swivel lock joint so you can change the angle slightly if the ball joint doesn't give you what you need as far as angle adjustment. So the first step in adjusting the boom arm closer or farther from the face is to loosen 6 knobs, 2 sets of the three knobs on either side. So you've got 1, 2, 3, and the other side you've got 1, 2, 3. This and this, they're connected because of this joint here. So you want to maintain this 90-degree approximate angle at all times for adjustment. So you're going to loosen these and loosen these, and you can see as I push these in and out that it changes the height of the forehead strap. This sits over the forehead. So if I have these too far along here, this is going to be way over the bottom of the eyebrows. It's going to be too low. Same thing if I have it too pinched up here, it's going to be over the top of the head, which is okay for footage, but you're not going to get the support that you need that this provides from the boom arm with the weight of the camera out here. So you're going to want to find that sort of happy medium right here to where this angle's about 90 degrees. But we're still adjusting the boom arm length, so I'm going to leave these loosened, leave these both loosened here, and then the last set is this knob on this side, loosen it a tiny bit, this knob on this side, loosen that a tiny bit as well. Not too much or else they might come out. So with those loose, here, here, and here, I can then pull the boom arm in towards the face. You'll see that this is pinching now, so like I showed before, you've got to, without moving the boom arm U-shape, you just push these little white pieces till you get that 90 degrees there. And that's close to the face. You know, that would just be if you're doing sort of like footage capture or higher action. It's more stability the closer to the face you are. But if you need to be farther away from the face, you again make sure these are loose, and then you can, it's important to push it both at the same time because it's all one piece of metal, so if you push one end, you know, the other end will get stuck. And so here I can't push anymore because this is tight, so I need to give this more slack here, and then I can push the boom arm out more. So that's pretty far out. And then just set that angle, looks pretty good. Tighten these knobs, make sure these are snug on both sides, and then again, the last step is to set those. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knobs total. The boom arm can also be swiveled up and down. I'll show you how to do that. Do first knob on this side here, just loosen it. Same thing here, loosen that slightly. That knob right there. You don't need to take them off. And then anytime I'm adjusting the boom arm, I always treat these 4 the same. So just adjust these and these just to give yourself the swivel. And then you can see you can set the height of the boom arm however you want it. The tilt can be achieved a lot with setting the angle of the ball joint on the camera, but sometimes you might want to capture a little bit of a lower angle of attack up someone's face, or like a top-down view, or if you decide to turn the camera around the other way, if you want to do a POV shot, you know, you can have it all the way up on top of the head. So again, check that that's 90 degrees. We're happy with our angle adjustment. Tighten the knobs here. Remember, you don't have to use these for angle adjustment. This is for lengthening. These are for angle adjustment because you have this tooth joint here. So once I'm happy with the angle, I'm going to tighten that knob here, and on the other side, I'm going to make sure that's tight there. So that's how you adjust the boom arm in and out and swivel it up and down.